This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling required documents and basic tools. This saves time and prevents rejections. Once you have registration, insurance, and the prior certificate, move to a quick exterior sweep. You inspect tires for 0 mm minimum tread, test lights and horn, and verify mirrors and wipers operate. Make notes of faults and prioritize high-risk items like brakes or steering. If any major repairs are needed, schedule them before formal testing. Otherwise, proceed to detailed system checks now. Now you dig into complex components methodically, starting with brakes. Check pad depth, fluid level, pedal feel, and visible leaks. Next, examine engine health, oil, coolant, belts, and any abnormal exhaust smoke that indicates emissions issues. Clear minor error codes only if you understand them. Then evaluate suspension and steering. Look for play in tie rods, worn bushings, and leaking shocks. Keep a running repair list and estimate costs. Once these parts pass basic checks, prepare for paperwork and formal testing. You finish with a controlled road test to confirm steering response, brake efficiency, vibration sources, and that no warning lights persist. Make final adjustments and red-eye in fasteners, then complete the fitness forms, sign, date, and attach receipts or photos of corrective work. If the vehicle fails the inspection, document the exact failure reason, prioritize safety-related fixes first, and schedule a reinspection as soon as parts are replaced. Troubleshooting tip: when diagnostics seem inconsistent, recheck ground connections and battery voltage before replacing components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.